So all the bidders who have joined us today, magandang umaga po. Would you kindly put in the chat box po yung ating pangalan, tsaka po yung ating company na nire-represent. Maraming salamat. To the end user, ADMS, pwede na po siguro tayo magsimula.
Yes, sir. Thank you po. Request. Next slide, please. After the background. Okay. Good morning, sir. Once again, Joe Aris Evangelista from ADMS. This is the pre-bid for the supply and delivery of self-contained breathing apparatus or SCBA refilling machine. Next slide, please. The source of fund for the project is under CAP APP calendar year 2025 with the approved budget of 3,257,600 pesos. Next slide, please. With the project duration of 120 calendar days and applicable fee for the bidding documents is 5,600 inclusive of 12% VAT. Next slide, please. For the data sheet, for this purpose, contracts similar to the project shall be letter A, supply, delivery of self-contained breathing apparatus, SCBA refilling machine. Letter B should have completed within the last 5 years a single contract that is similar to the project, equivalent to at least 25% of the ABC. 7.1A, subcontracting is not allowed. The price of the goods shall be quoted DDP for various airports or the applicable international commercial terms or Incoterms for this project. The bid security shall be in the form of a bid securing declaration or any of the following forms and amount. Letter A, the amount of not less than 65,152 pesos if bid security is in cash, cashier's, manager's check, bank draft, guarantee, or irrevocable letter of credit. Or letter B, the amount of not less than 162,880 pesos if bid security is in surety bond. Next slide, please. The bid security in the form of surety bond shall be valid until 120 calendar days from the date of opening of bids and shall be callable on demand. SEC Clause 2.2, partial payment is not allowed. Terms of payment shall be 100% after complete delivery of goods. For the distribution list, we have 5 airports. Number 1 is Zamboanga International Airport with 1 quantity of self-contained breathing apparatus compressor unit. Number 2 is Calbayog Airport. Number 3 is San Jose Airport. Number 4 is Osamis Airport. And number 5, Masbate Airport with a total of 5 units. Next slide, please. For the technical specifications, supply delivery of self-contained breathing apparatus or SCBA refilling machine, 100 liters per minute, 330 bars, 2.2 kilowatt with single phase AC motor, 3 stages, and 1,200 RPM. Next slide, please. For the terms of preference, bidders must have a reliable track record on SCBA compressor sales. Bidders must submit an exclusive distributorship or authorized distributorship certified and duly authenticated by Philippine Consulate in the country of origin. Bidder shall submit manufacturer's compliance certification that SCBA compressor to be supplied meet the minimum standards of any of the following: ICAO, NFPA, or FAA as appropriate. Bidder must show a certification from manufacturer that SCBA compressor being offered have at least 2 years warranty. And number 5, Bidder must not be blacklisted or barred from the bidding by the government of any country, any of its agency, offices, corporation, or local government units, and not included in the consolidated blacklisting report by the GPPB. Next slide, please. For the checklist of technical and financial documents as shown. Next slide. Continuation and as shown. Next slide, please. And this ends the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you to our end user, to any of the bidders present online. If you have any questions or clarifications, the floor is now open na po. Salamat. Yes, wait lang sir, nawala. Sino yan?
Polka
Miss,
po from Mexican International. Na po?
Busy siguro sa box siguro mo or sa user.
Mga di na, nag-fix yun. Kasi lang
to any of the bidders present online, if you have any questions or clarifications po, you may raise your hand. Yes, Mr. Kyle Pogs, you are recognized po. Hello, Sir Kyle.
Hello sir, sorry,
Yes, sir.
nag-send lang ako ng company name and attendance, sorry.
Yes, sir. Would you kindly put your name po and the company you're representing sa chat box for attendance purposes
Hi.
na din po before we ask our question. Thank you.
Okay.
Wala. Hello, Sir Kyle. Hello. Nawala eh.
Hello sir.
Yes,
Yes sir.
yes, sir. Ano po yung question natin?
Ano sir, yung question ko pala sir, sorry nakamit. Yung question ko sir is, for example sir, na-award sa amin, or na-award, ang delivery sir, yung mga airports, tama sir? So, one item, one airport. So, kami rin po ba ang magdi-distribute po nun sir? Or meron kaming isang, kumbaga isang pagbabaksahan ng mga items sir?
Yes, sir. Sir Kyle, good morning. The answer for the question is that kayo po mismo, yung company po ninyo mismo ang magdadala. Delivered on airport po lahat to. So sa 5 airport, tigi isang unit po yung dadali ng company ninyo.
Okay sir, sige sir, noted po yan sir.
Any more questions po? Going once? Going twice?
Hello po.
Yes po.
Nag-raise hand po kami.
Yes po, Mr. Mark John Blanes, you're recognized po.
Yes po, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, i-clarify ko lang, yun dun po ba sa standard na kailangan natin is dapat is ICAO, FAA, NFPA, meron po ba tayong pwedeng standard na kailangan or EN, pwede po ba?
Yes sir, sa standards po, any applicable po, no? Hindi lang naka-include siguro yung EN or yung European, pero yes, included naman po yung European doon. So that's ICAO, NFPA, FAA, and included po yung European natin, EN standards.
Okay. Okay po, sir. Thank you po. Thank you.
Yes sir.
That's all po. Wala naman pong another question po. Wala naman po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po, Joe.
Any more questions from our bidders present online po?
5 or
Wala,
1,
sir.
sir?
Po. Hello?
Hello, ma'am. Miss Grace, DV Season.
Yes, sir.
You're recognized po, ma'am.
Apa, sir, good morning, sir. Sir, Grace Season po sa 911 Alarm. Sir, may questions lang po kami, just for clarification. So, you will be allowing 2 contracts totaling to 50% po. Tama po ba ang intindi namin, sir?
Engineer Ilagan, pa-request naman ako doon sa ano natin. Slide number slide number 6, bid data sheet, I think. Okay, ulitin ko lang po, no? Should sa ITB plus 5.3, letter B, the bidder should have completed within the last 5 years a single contract that is similar to the project equivalent to at least 25% of the ABC. Yun po yung namin.
Okay, sir. Sir, second question po. You are requiring kasi po documents to be authenticated to the Philippine Consulate. Will you allow an apostille po?
Yes po, apostille is allowed.
Okay. Tapos sir, from the from the manufacturers for the distributorship po. Normally sir kasi 'di ba you will be requiring po distributorship coming from the manufacturer. Tama po kami, sir? Is that what you're requiring po, di ba po?
Opo.
Will the back reconsider po allowing, let's say for example, a manufacturer give a regional distributorship to one company po, and that company will give a local company here in the Philippines po, a distributorship, at least the line of accountability for the warranty is still present, sir. Will that be allowed po? Or kailangan po the local bidder should be a direct distributor from the manufacturer? Will you consider having it po na a regional distributor is authorizing the local distributor po as long as the regional distributor has a distributorship coming directly from the manufacturer po? Will that be allowed, Mr. Chair?
Ma'am, I think para dyan sa question na yan is back po yung makakasagot kung i-allow nila. If yung distributor mismo is nakakuha sila ng, tama po ba yung pagkakaintindi ko? From the manufacturer, magbibigay sila ng exclusive distributorship certificate sa isang company, and then yung company na yun is magbibigay pa ng another exclusive distributorship sa local. Tama po ba?
Apo.
I think
Normally
yung
kasi,
back
sir,
na po ang makakasagot.
sige po. We are asking that, sir, because normally po right now, manufacturers don't give direct po na kasi distributorship. That's why we're requesting sana po. Sige po. We'll just wait for the box
Mr. Chair, if I
distribution
may.
on that po.
Mr. Chair, if I may ask.
Yes, please.
Mr. Chair, just want to clarify to our prospective leader if the one that is provided by the manufacturer with the exclusive distributorship is yung regional, I mean, yung not exclusive distributor, I mean distributor status is yung regional distributor po ba? Tama po ba, ma'am?
Opo, opo, sir.
So si regional distributor will be issuing
Ang magbig-
mag-issue sa local po ng another certificate exclusive.
like for
Ma'am,
example po, if a foreign po, the manufacturer will give a distributorship to a company po in the Asia Pacific region ng distributorship, and that company po will give, let's say our company po a distributorship, will that be allowed po?
yeah,
Yun po yung tanong.
that is allowed, ma'am, provided po you can also provide us you can attach a copy that company is the authorized regional distributor in this
Ah.
area.
Okay po. Sige po, Mr. Chair. Sir, sorry,
Okay.
I have two last questions po.
Sige po, ma'am.
Apo. Sir, with regards to the special conditions of the contract po, the period of time supervision or maintenance period po and repair to be agreed by the parties, can you, what is the, ano po yung period of time of supervision and the maintenance? Is that the 2 years po of the warranty?
Yes, ma'am. Yung warranty period po, yun din po yung cover niya. Yung sa maintenance.
Nung sa supervision and maintenance po.
Opo.
Tapos sir, thank you po. Dun sa ano sir, sa technical specifications po. Ang nakalagay kasi sir 1,200 na RPM. There are several different refilling compressors po. Yung manufacturers have various RPMs din po. Is it okay if we would like to request sana if you could broaden the range po, let's say 850 to 2,850, parang ganun po, so that other brands can comply also?
Ma'am, we have this kind of issue rin last year. Kasi kung mas mataas yung RPM natin, mas mabilis naman yung overheating ng machine natin. So we have settled, we can only adjust from 1,000 to 1,200 RPM para maiiwasan namin yung overheating, kasi from time to time din gagamitin kasi namin yung machine. Hindi siya natetenga ng matagal. Kaya gusto namin maiwasan yung overheating ng machine.
So ang magre-range lang po siya 1,000 to 1,200.
Yes po.
Okay po. Sir, if ever po there would be additional questions, can we respectfully write the back po on further questions? If further po na-review namin, provided po that we will be giving it 10 days before po, or at least today or on a few days, the allowable days po for us to write letters before you can issue the feed bulletins, mga ganun po.
Yes po, ma'am. You can contact the back secretariat po para sa mga other queries po ninyo.
Sige po. Thank you po. That's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you po.
To all our prospective bidders, any more questions or clarifications po?
Sir, good morning. Query lang po.
Yes, Sir William.
Sir, this is Francis po from Aquamundo Sports Inc.
Yes, sir. You're recognized, sir.
Apo. Sir, regarding lang sana doon sa SLCC na diniscuss kanina, clarify ko lang po kasi ang item to be procured kasi is SCBA compressor only. Okay lang po ba na ang nakalagay sa SLCC namin may kasamang other items? Tulad po kasi ng mga previous projects namin, given na kami ay merong specific brand, Aquamundo po, usually kasi may kasama siyang other items po like diving gears, yun po. Okay lang po ba yun, sir?
Mr. Chair, if I may respond, Mr. Chair.
Yes, please.
Uh,
Please proceed.
Sir, in determining your SLCC po, we will only consider the amount that is related to the project, sir, or yung pasok doon sa kung ano yung description ng SLCC po. The other components, we will deduct it, how much the contract, I mean, the cost of that other components na hindi naman siya part doon sa pasok doon sa SLCC similar project natin, then ibabawas po yun sa contract price ng provide po ninyo para ma-determine natin kung pasok ba yung SLCC amount po ninyo.
Sige sir, noted sir. Sir, i-ano ko lang din po, i-confirm ko lang po. Tama po no sa pagkakabasa ko dito sa bid data sheet. Dapat merong at least 25% of the ABC. Tama po.
Affirmative po, sir.
Okay po. Sir, ilang contracts po ang pwede naming i-attach? Pwede po bang 2, 3?
Single contract lang po, sir. That is similar to the project.
Okay. Sir, okay lang po ba kahit hindi under government? Okay lang po ba kahit under private companies? Kasi nakapag-supply na rin kami sa BFP before eh. O tsaka sa other trading companies na nasupplyan namin ng SCBA compressor.
Pwede naman po, sir.
Pwede naman po. Okay, sir. Noted, sir. Thank you po.
To all our prospective bidders, any more questions po? Going once, going twice. With that, Mr. Chair, the pre-bid conference for the project supply and delivery of self-contained breathing apparatus refilling machine for various airports is now closed. To all our prospective bidders, please be reminded that for any more questions or clarifications, you can email us at the BAC Secretariat at bac@kaap.gov.ph at least 10 days before the submission and opening of bids. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po.
So,
Thank you, sir. Thank you po.
Mr. Chair, permission to continue with item 2.2 on our agenda for today. This is Item 2.2 is the pre-bid conference for the supply, delivery, and installation of 43 units inverter split type units at CAAP Central Office with bid number 25-113-12. The end user is FMD BGMS. To my fellow secretariat, if there are any bidders present online who wish to participate for this project, i-admit na po natin sila. Maraming salamat. Mr. Chair, permission to proceed first to item 2.3 since item 2.2 is having technical difficulties po.
Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Uh, Item 2.3 is the pre-bid conference for the project purchase of robotic total stations with complete accessories with bid number 25-112-12. The end user is ADMS. To my fellow secretariat, if there are any bidders present online, pa-admit na po natin sila sa Google Meet for this project. Thank you. To the end user, proceed na po tayo sa presentation for item 2.3. Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Good morning, everyone. Presenting to you the pre-bid for purchase of robotic total station with complete accessories. Project title, Purchase of Robotic Total Station with Complete Accessories. Source of fund, CAAP APP CY 2025. Approved budget for the contract, 14,675,000 pesos. The duration of the project is 45 calendar days, and the applicable fee for bidding documents, 25,000 exclusive of any and all taxes imposed by relevant government agencies. ITB Clause 5.3. For this purpose, contracts similar to the project shall be supply or delivery of surveying equipment and completed within 5 years prior to the deadline for the submission and receipt of bids. ITB Clause 7.1. Subcontracting is not allowed. Bidder shall submit all eligibility and technical documents as specified in Section 8, Checklist of Technical and Financial Documents. Bids not complying with the checklist shall be disqualified. The bidder with the lowest calculated bid that complies with and is responsive to all the requirements and conditions shall submit its updated valid field job certificate of registration, latest income and business tax returns filed through the electronic filing and payment system, business licenses and permits required by law, such as registration certificate, mayor's permit, tax clearance, latest audited financial statements, and certificate of good standing with at least 2 end users of previously delivered total station units being offered, exclusive distributorship or authorized distributorship from the manufacturer, warranty certificate, ISO certificate, or any documentary evidence that the total stations units are compliant to highest international standards, focusing on ensuring quality, accuracy, and consistency in the use, performance, and testing of total stations technology. Brand certification from the manufacturer stating and confirming that the total stations brand has been established and in continuous operation for at least 10 years. This shall also include the date when the total stations brand was first established, and documentary evidence that the supplier have local service center in the Philippines authorized by the manufacturer and shall submit manpower certification, a factory trained service technician available in the Philippines with the certificate from factory to perform maintenance and repair works on the products, an end of life support certificate or an end of support certificate issued by the manufacturer that shall guarantee that all spare parts necessary for the maintenance, repair, replacement of the equipment, software, updates, and technical support shall be available at least 5 years even after the product is no longer being manufactured. Brochures of the products or items being offered containing information that supports compliance statement in the technical specifications and certification that the total stations units and its accessories to be offered are compliant with CAP's technical specifications and requirements under this project's TOR in Annex B, Form 4. Failure to submit the above requirements within the specified period or a finding against the veracity of the same shall be a ground for immediate disqualification. Special conditions of contract. Warranty provisions and service level agreement within the warranty period as stipulated in Section 7 and 8 of TOR. Winning bidder shall provide warranty certificate and shall warrant the equipment to be operational and free from all defects for at least 1 year warranty for parts, labor, and maintenance of the delivered total station units, which shall only commence from the date of formal acceptance of the project. The winning bidder shall provide 3-year maintenance support on firmware and software. This shall cover all firmware updates or upgrades, maintenance, and technical support of all total station equipment and its field controller. A 3-year maintenance support for the proprietary licensed processing software shall also be provided by the winning bidder that will cover updates or upgrades and maintenance of the processing software. 1-year total station warranty and product delivered. Coverage details. Each total station equipment to be delivered shall have a standard warranty of 1 year which shall only commence from the date of acceptance of the whole project. This warranty shall cover the 3 total station equipment and 2 units field controller. The scope of this warranty shall include coverage for the manufacturing defects, hardware malfunctions, and performance, all free of charge to CAAP within 1 year. This warranty will be carried out under the following conditions. During the warranty period, the winning bidder shall ensure that the total station units remain in optimal condition, fully capable of performing its intended functions. The winning bidder will provide the manpower and material resources to be able to carry out the repair and maintenance works of any defects which may develop during the warranty period. Shipping cost of the total station units for repair shall be borne by the winning bidder. In case of unit pull-out, a service or replacement unit of the same specifications as that of the malfunctioning equipment shall be provided while the faulty equipment is undergoing repair or diagnostic. It should be clear that the winning bidder that the extended warranty covers repair or replacement of the defective parts or the entire unit if deemed necessary. Partial payment is not allowed. Terms of payment shall be 100% after complete delivery of goods. See Section 11 in terms of payment of the terms of references. Terms of payment. The full payment shall be made after completion of the project as detailed below. So the timeline is within 45 calendar days from receipt of NTP. Project deliverables. Supply and delivery of total station units, software and its accessories. Submission of warranty certificate. Submission of end of life certificate or end of support certificate. Excuse me. Submission of
So to continue po, for the project deliverables, submission of certificate of registration which is issued by the NAMRIA, submission of certificate of calibration from the manufacturer, actual training and demonstration on the total stations. And for the documentary requirements, the delivery receipt received by the supply division or the end user, warranty certificate, certificate of inspection and acceptance issued by the authority, the CAAP, initial certificate of completion and turnover issued by the winning bidder stating that the project is 100% complete. billing statement or the sales invoice, and the training certificates. So all payments shall be inclusive of all applicable taxes. So for the schedule of requirements, as shown on screen, so for the technical specification, shown on screen, for the terms of reference in section 6 bidder's qualification, so the bidder must be registered with the SEC, capable of implementing the project consistent with the primary purpose as it appears in its articles of incorporation. The bidder must submit a certification issued by the product manufacturer that they are a certified partner and that the manufacturer shall extend direct technical support to end user for the product being offered. The bidder or the supplier must have local service center in the Philippines authorized by the manufacturer to perform maintenance and repair works on the products. The bidder or supplier shall submit a manpower certification, which is a factory-trained service technician available in the Philippines with certificate from the factory. So for the checklist of technical and financial documents as shown on screen, so that would be all, Mr. Chair. Thank you po.
Thank you to the end user. To any bidders present online, the floor is now open for any questions or clarifications. Yes, Miss Janet Eliescas, you're recognized po. Would you kindly po state your company you're representing?
Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Janet Eliescas from Certeza Infosys Corporation. Just some clarification po regarding sa bidding documents. Kasi sir, confused lang ako kasi dun sa schedule of requirements niya, naka-indicate dun is one robotic total station and one mechanical total station. But on page 47, it says number 4, letter A, nakalagay, this warranty shall cover 2 units robotic total station, 2 units field controller, and 1 unit mechanical total station. And on page 25 also, sir, number 4, letter A, 3 total station and 2 field controller under ng warranty. So gusto ko lang pong i-clarify, sir, kung ilang robotic total station and ilang field controller and mechanical total station.
Ma'am, good morning po.
Yes po, ma'am.
Bali, ano po ma'am, 2 robotic total station and 1 mechanical total station. Mag-i-issue na lang po kami ng bid bulletin, ma'am. We will review the bid docs. If there is inconsistency, we will issue a bid bulletin po on this po. Thank you, ma'am.
Any more questions or clarifications to our bidders present online po? Yes, Mr. JB Abian, you are recognized po. Are you raising your hand?
Hello po.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am JB,
Good morning. This is Jackie, sir, from Argotech Positioning Solutions.
You're recognized, ma'am. Sige po.
Hello, yeah. Just ask lang po siya, sa clarification regarding for the certifications. Kasi po nakalagay dyan requirement for the NAMRIA. Probably, sir, pagka total station, tsaka pag total station, it should be Land Management Bureau or LMB, not the NAMRIA po.
Hello, Ma'am Jackie. Good morning. Ma'am, with regards to that, ma'am, thank you for that comment, ma'am. Well noted po. And for that po, the end user will issue, again, bid bulletin for that, ma'am. Thank you po.
All right, thank you po.
Any more questions to our prospective bidders present online? Going once? Going twice? With that, Mr. Chair, the pre-bid conference for the project purchase of robotic total stations with complete accessories is now closed. Please be reminded to all our prospective bidders that for any more questions or clarifications, you can email us at the back secretariat at back@kaap.gov.ph at least 10 days before the submission and opening of bids. Thank you.
Sir, may pahabol lang.
Yeah,
Hello?
hello?
Sir, good morning. Sir, sorry, Pab. Sir, pwede po kami mag-early dropping? Tanong ko lang po, ng bid docs. Or it should be on the same day?
Pwede naman po, ma'am, na
Early
mas
dropping? Like
maaga.
22
Opo.
or 23?
Yes, ma'am. However, since the end user has signified their intent to
Bid
issue a
bulletin,
bid
yes.
bulletin, it
Yes.
might be wise to antayin po muna natin kasi baka may babaguhin sa bid docs para po.
Yeah, I agree,
Yeah.
sir. Kasi confused ako sa number of units po.
Yes, ma'am.
Sige, thank you, sir.
Thank you din po. Okay. Mr. Chair, permission to circle back to item 2.2. Mr. Chair, circling back to item 2.2, the pre-bid conference for the supply, delivery, and installation of 43 units, inverter split type aircon units at CAP Central Office with bid number 25-113-12. The end user is FMD BGMS. To my fellow secretariat, if there are any interested bidders to participate for this project, i-admit na po natin sila sa Google Meet. Salamat.
Good morning all. Good morning, Mr. Chair. Rita Linda Peleo po for FMD, BGMS for the presentation of our invitation to bid for the supply, delivery, and installation of 43 units inverter split type aircon units at CAAP Central Office. Item description, 43 units, inverter split type air conditioning units at CAAP Central Office with the approved budget of 5,452,223 pesos, being the ABC for the supply, delivery, and installation of said 43 units inverter split type ACUs for our CAAP Central Office. Bids received in excess of the ABC shall be automatically rejected at bid opening. The delivery of goods is required within 45 calendar days. Bidders should have completed within 3 years from the date of submission and receipt of the bids a contract similar to the project. The description of an eligible bidder is contained in the bidding documents, particularly in Section 2, Instructions to Bidders. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using a non-discretionary pass or fail criterion as specified in the 2016 revised implementing rules and regulations of RA 9184. Bidding is restricted to Filipino citizens or sole proprietorships, partnerships, or organizations with at least 60% interest or outstanding capital stock belonging to citizens of the Philippines and to citizens or organizations of a country, the laws or regulations of which grant similar rights or privileges to Filipino citizens pursuant to RA 5183. Prospective bidders may obtain further information from the Back Secretariat of Kaap Mia Road, Pasay City, and inspect the bidding documents at the address given below in this instruction to bid during office hours from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday to Friday. Complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested bidders on starting 5 December until the deadline of submission of bids in the amount of 10,000 pesos exclusive of any and all taxes imposed by relevant government agencies. Upon payment of bid documents, bidders must provide their respective email addresses to the Back Secretariat, and all communications, including but not limited to notices, resolutions, and replies, among others, will be sent to the email address provided by the bidders. Bidders must also check the PhilJEP's website or Kaap website, as well as from the Back Secretariat for any bid bulletins and announcements related to the bidding. The Kaap will hold a pre-bid conference today, 9:30. Okay. Bids must be duly received by the Back Secretariat through manual submissions at the office address indicated in this instruction to bid on or before 26 December 2025 at 9:30 a.m. Late bids shall not be accepted. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in ITB Clause 14. As mentioned, bid opening shall be on 26 December 2025 at 9:30 a.m. For instructions to bidders, the scope of bid. The procuring entity, Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines or CAAP, wishes to receive bids for the supply, delivery, and installation of 43 units inverter split type air conditioning units at CAAP Central Office with bid number 25-113-12 Bravo. And the ABC of this project, as mentioned, is 5,452,223 pesos. The source of funding is CAAP Corporate Operating Budget. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's present the BDS. Okay. For our bid data sheet, ITB Clause 5.3. For this purpose, contracts similar to the project shall be first, supply, delivery, and installation of 43 units inverter split type air conditioning units at CAAP Central Office and completed within 3 years prior to the deadline for the submission and receipt of bids. ITB Clause 7.1, subcontracting is not allowed. Bidders are required to submit the following as part of the technical documents: proof and other supporting documentary evidence of the bidder's statement of compliance with technical specifications required under Section 7, technical specifications as applicable. Section 10.1 and Section 12. The price of the goods shall be quoted DDP to Supply Division Warehouse, Ground Floor, Kaap General Services Building, Gate 3, Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, Baltao Road, Pasay City, Metro Manila, or the applicable international commercial terms or Incoterms for this project. The bid security under 14.1 shall be in the form of a bid securing declaration or any of the following. First, the amount of not less than 109,044 pesos and 46 centavos, which is equivalent to 2% of the ABC. If bid security is in cash, cashier's or manager's check, bank draft or guarantee or irrevocable letter of credit, or the amount of not less than 276,611 pesos and 15 centavos, which is equivalent to 5% of the ABC if bid security is in surety bond. Number 15, each page thereof is initialed by the duly authorized representatives or representative of the bidder. Submitted eligibility, technical, and financial documents are properly marked with index tabs or ear tabs and sequentially paginated in accurate order in the form as will be seen in the bid docs. Partial bid is not allowed under 19.2. The goods are grouped in a single lot and the lot shall not be divided into sublots for the purpose of the bidding, evaluation, and contract award. 20.2. Other appropriate documents required to be submitted during post-qualification are seen on screen. For our general conditions of contract, this contract shall include all such items, although not specifically mentioned, that can be reasonably inferred as being required for its completion, as if such items were expressly mentioned herein. For advance payment and terms of payment, as shown. Performance security, within 10 calendar days from receipt of the notice of award by the bidder from the procuring entity, but in no case later than prior to the signing of the contract by both parties, the successful bidder shall furnish the performance security in any of the forms prescribed. Inspection and tests. The procuring entity or its representative shall have the right to inspect and or to test the goods to confirm their conformity to the project or framework agreement. In addition to tests in the SCC Section 4 or technical specifications shall specify what inspections and or tests the procuring entity requires and where they are to be conducted. The procuring entity shall notify the supplier in writing in a timely manner of the identity of any representatives retained for these purposes. For warranty, as shown, okay. Technical specs. Schedule. Here. For schedule of requirements, to be delivered, schedule expressed as weeks or months stipulated hereafter, a delivery date which is the date of delivery to the project sites, as shown on screen. 14 units. 14 units, 4 HP 3-tonner floor-mounted inverter split-type aircon units for the annex building of some. Next is 9 units, 4 HP. 17 units to HP wall-mounted inverter split-type aircon units. And 1 unit each, 1 HP wall-mounted inverter and for technical specs. For our specifications, general requirements, the brand or make of unit, as
And
shown on screen.
technical specifications po as shown. Pababa na lang po natin. And dandahan lang, ma'am.
ITD. For the checklist of technical and financial documents, kindly refer as shown on screen.
Financial documents as shown. The financial component envelope as shown. Yeah. Yeah. To any bidders who wish to participate for this project, the floor is now open for any questions or clarifications. Going once, going twice. With yeah, to Mr. or Miss Rose de la Cruz, you are recognized po.
Good morning, sir. Rosemary de la Cruz po from ACMI. Sir, ako tatanong ko lang, kailan kaya kami po pwede mag-site inspection?
Ma'am, anytime po, you can... Office hours po, 8 to 5, Monday to Friday.
Kanina po kami pwedeng direct na tumawag, ma'am, para sa site inspection.
You can coordinate with the Buildings and Grounds Maintenance section po of the FMD.
FMD.
Yes,
Diretso
Facilities
lang.
Maintenance Division.
Sorry, ma'am, sorry.
Facilities Maintenance Division.
Apo. Tapos no definite person naman, contact person naman na kailangan namin hanapin doon.
None, ma'am.
Apo. Then, ma'am, question ko lang po. Ito po ba is new installation lahat o meron na tayong mga for replacement?
Good morning, Madam. Madam,
Yes.
From FMD BGMS, I'm Mark M. De La Cruz. Actually, ma'am, meron tayong mga i-replace na old units ng mga ECU, Madam.
Yes, sir. Then, wala pong bago?
Meron pong additional, Madam, ilalagay.
Apo. Ano, sir, ang feeder line nun? Kasama sa scope of work? Yung mga luma, pwede ba natin gamitin? Ano po bang pan natin?
Ma'am, naka-specify po dyan, ma'am, sa ano natin, Madam, na dapat lahat po ng ating line is bago. Lahat ng materials bago po. Installation po kasi, Madam, ng new eh.
Apo, so yung mga luma, hindi natin po pwedeng gamitin?
Hindi na po, Madam. Magpo-provide po tayo ng bago, pang electrical, pang piping, drain piping ng sa ano natin, aircon, pati na po sa condensing natin, Madam, ng line.
Okay po. Noted, sir. Actually, ayun lang po. Salamat po.
Thank you rin, Madam. Thank you.
Any more questions po? Bidders, present online.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, Mr. Richie D. Aquino from Innovalite, you are recognized po.
Good morning, everyone. Sir, tanong ko lang regarding dun sa sample form. na nasa bid docs. Ang nakita lang namin yung bid securing declaration tsaka bid form. Wala po yung omnibus. So tanong ko lang kung magbe-base po kami sa sample form ng GPPB website.
To Ma'am, to all bidders, we are made aware na mag-release na lang ng bid bulletin for this project.
Yes, sir.
In relation to your question po, ma'am.
To address your question, ma'am, we will
Okay,
be
copy.
preparing for a bid bulletin and release it timely po.
Okay, thank you ma'am. Thank you sir.
Any more questions po? Yes, from Miss Christy Ann Bear. You're
Yes po,
recognized po.
good morning po. From AQ's Enterprise po. Sir, tanong ko lang po kung yung sa regarding po sa refrigerant po, kung pwede po ba siya R32?
Good morning, Madam. Madam, as stipulated in our technical specification, naka-include na po ma'am sa mga per unit natin kung ano po mga refrigerant ang dapat po na nakalagay doon, Madam. Paki-review na lang po ng technical specs, nakalagay na po, naka-indicate na po kung ano mga refrigerant po.
Okay po, thank you.
No more questions po from our prospective bidders. Please be reminded po na for any more questions or clarifications, you can email us at the back secretariat through back@kaap.gov.ph at least 10 days before the submission and opening of bids. Maraming salamat po.